Hi friends, welcome back to Jolys kitchen. Today we are going to make banana tomato gravy curry, usually served along with rice, but you can have it along with chapathi or roti. Let's move to the video. In a pan, take 1 tablespoon oil and heat it. Add half-inch size chopped ginger, 1 sliced onion, 4 green chilli slits. Mix it well. Saute it for 2 to 3 minutes until the onion turns soft. Keep it low flame and add half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon red chilli powder. Mix it well. Saute it on low flame for 2 minutes. Now add 1 chopped tomato. Mix it well. Saute it for 3 minutes on medium flame. Then add 1 chopped raw banana to it. Add 1 cup of hot water, 1 teaspoon salt. Mix it well. Close the lid and cook for 5 to 6 minutes on low flame. After 6 minutes, open the lid. Switch off the flame and wait for 2 to 3 minutes to get it cool down a little bit before adding curd to it. Add 1 cup of curd. Mix it well. Cook for 2 minutes on low flame. After 2 minutes, switch off the flame. In a pan, take 1 tablespoon oil and heat it. When the oil is hot, add half teaspoon mustard seeds and wait until it splutters. When it starts spluttering, add 1/4 teaspoon fenugreek seed to it. After 10 seconds, add 3 dry red chilies cut into halves, 4 to 5 sliced shallots, some curry leaves. Saute it for 3 minutes until it becomes light golden color. Switch off the flame. Now add this on top of the curry. Don't stir it now. Close the lid. Stir only after 10 minutes.
If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon.
Our banana tomato gravy curry recipe is ready. Usually served along with rice, but you can also have it along with chapathi or roti.
If you enjoyed this video, please press like button. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Comment below your suggestions. We will come back with another video. Thanks for watching the video.